Welcome traders. In this video, I'll be sharing a profitable strategy using two free indicators on TradingView. I'll walk you through the process of selecting and adding these powerful tools on your chart and guide you how to adjust them for maximized profitability. You'll also learn how to identify optimal entry points, set the stop loss orders, and determine the best time to exit with profits. To get started, fire up TradingView and switch your chart to the 5-minute time frame for any currency pair you like. This scalping strategy works best on this time frame. Our first move is to add a powerful tool called the TUE ADX MACD indicator. Just head over to the indicator section on TradingView and search for TUE ADX MACD and add it to your chart. To make the most out of this awesome indicator, you'll need to adjust some settings, so don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. The TUE ADX MACD indicator is like your personal trading assistant, creating buy and sell signals for you without any extra effort on your part. It's a handy tool that simplifies the process. While it is true that you can make profitable trades with a single indicator, relying solely on one indicator can limit your success in the long run. The real magic happens when you combine multiple tools to fine-tune your trading strategy and maximize profits. So before we dive into the second game-changing indicator, remember that you can always join the TradeGenius Telegram channel if you need more help finding top-notch trading signals or simply want expert guidance. Trust me when I say that this additional indicator will be a powerful asset to your trading arsenal. It is called the MA50 and 200 indicator. This indicator will take your trading game to a whole new level. To get started, head on over to the indicator section on TradingView and search for MA50 and 200. Once you find it, add it to your chart. Now, to make this indicator stand out and be more visible, we're going to make a few adjustments in the style section of its settings. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. Just follow my lead and you'll have a crystal clear view of the indicator on your chart in no time. And to make the most out of the MA50 and 200 indicator, there's a specific approach you should follow for optimal results. Let's break it down into two scenarios, downtrends and uptrends. When dealing with a downtrend, keep these conditions in mind. The MA50 should be lower than the MA200 and the price should be below both of the MA50 and MA200 lines. On the flip side, during an uptrend, you want to look for the following. The MA50 line should be higher than the MA200 line, and then the price should be above both of the MA50 and MA200 lines. Alright, it's time to discuss how to enter a buy trade and manage risk. To make a smart buy trade, you'll need two crucial elements. First, you'll need a clear buy signal to indicate it's a good time to consider jumping into a trade. Next, confirm that the market is experiencing an uptrend, as this can increase your chances of a successful trade. To do this, check the relationship between the MA50 and MA200 lines as well as the price, just like we discussed earlier. So once both of these conditions are met, you're good to go ahead and open that buy trade. And for the stop loss level, use either the recent swing low or one of the MA lines as a safety net. This will help protect you from any unexpected downturns. And as for your take profit level, aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This means that your potential profit should be 1.5 times greater than the risk you're taking on. And when it comes to executing a smart sell trade, you want to follow these essential guidelines. First, keep an eye out for a sell signal. The signal serves as a helpful indicator that it might be a good opportunity to engage in a sell trade. Next, you need to ensure that you're trading within a downtrend. As mentioned before, you can do this by examining the relationship between the MA50 and MA200 lines, along with the price. Remember, if the price is trading below the MA lines and the MA50 is below MA200, you're likely dealing with a downtrend. So, once you've confirmed both of these conditions, it's time to go ahead and proceed with your sell trade. And for your stop loss level, consider using either the recent swing high or one of the MA lines as your safety net. This will help you mitigate risk and protect your trade in case the market takes an unexpected turn. And as your take profit level, maintain a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And don't forget to check out the recommended video displayed on your screen for even more valuable insights and strategies to elevate your trading game. Happy trading and see you in the next video.